you feeling this beat? Check it out, feel me though. I'm the general, y'all just the troops. I've been killing these beats, I'm sentenced life in the booth. The sky is the limit, so I chopped off the roof. The game love me for speaking the truth. Yeah, pass me the ball, best believe I'ma shoot. Yeah, forget soldier, D got the juice. I'm on earth, but my head out of space. I run this town, so I gotta keep the pace. Success is one thing, you just gotta chase. The game need change, so I'm here to replace. Bow your heads and let's all pray. God, thank you for waking me up today. I can't see the top, but I know you lead the way.
Know it leads the way. I mean, you got all these little, you know what I'm saying, nappy head, snot nose rappers. You young boys don't know nothing, man. I mean, this cat young, he killing folk. I mean, he laying them down, you know, about to run the rap game. Man. I ain't even about to, keep talking about it. I'm just let him keep telling you what he'll do. Listen,
I get you dealt with like Osama bin Laden. Y'all take my orders and you can call me captain. Everybody say I can't make it rapping. I got money stacked up just like fractions. I kill beats and I kill them with a passion. I got the fire and I ain't talking about a dragon. I'm headed to the top, so jump on the wagon. We all see it happen, but we don't take action. I never knew that money was a distraction until I turned around and seen the devil laughing. Until I had a dream I was in a casket. Until my real friends never laughed.